Once upon a time, after a splendid Jubilee celebration in the United Kingdom, King Richard and Queen Elizabeth decided to embark on a royal visit to Jamaica. The sun blazed in the Caribbean sky as the couple's private jet touched down amidst the vibrant hues of the island. Stepping onto the tarmac, they were greeted by the warm smiles of locals, a plethora of flowers, and the rhythmic beats of reggae. King Richard, charmed by the island's essence, remarked, "It feels like a celebration every day here." Queen Elizabeth, adorned in a bright yellow dress that mirrored the warm sun, waved graciously as the crowd cheered. Their first stop was a bustling market in Kingston, where vendors showcased colorful crafts and tantalizing dishes. The sweet smell of jerk chicken filled the air, and the Queen delighted herself by trying some, her laughter ringing out like music. King Richard joined in, sharing stories of their Jubilee festivities, which led to spontaneous dancing with locals. As the day progressed, they visited a school, where children greeted them with songs and poems about unity and heritage. The couple was touched, and in return, they shared tales of their own childhoods, sparking joyful conversations. As the sun dipped low, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink, King Richard and Queen Elizabeth stood on a cliff overlooking the ocean. Hand in hand, they marveled at the beauty of Jamaica and its people. "This will be a visit we cherish forever," Queen Elizabeth said, her heart happy with gratitude for the warmth of island life. With promises to return, they boarded their plane, leaving a piece of their hearts behind, woven into the vibrant tapestry of Jamaica, forever celebrating the connection between their two worlds.